The compact drone industry has just experienced an absolute earthquake. Highly classified internal factory supply chain leaks and official hardware blueprints from DJI have completely surfaced, revealing a drone that quite literally breaks the laws of physics and flips global aviation regulations completely on their head. We are looking at a sub-250-gram powerhouse that is set to completely obliterate the competition, render DJI's own mid-tier lineup completely obsolete, and deliver elite features that professional filmmakers have been begging for over the last 5 years. We are talking about a full 1-inch stacked sensor, a mechanical variable aperture, and a battery flight time that sounds like absolute science fiction. Every single detail we have uncovered today is certified authentic, highly disruptive, and ready to change the way you capture the world forever. To truly understand why the DJI Mini 6 Pro is causing a massive panic among rival drone manufacturers, we have to look directly at the heart of the machine, the camera system. Traditional compact travel drones have always been held back by their imaging hardware, forcing creators to make a harsh compromise between a lightweight form factor and professional video quality. The Mini 6 Pro completely rewrites this script. According to authenticated factory blueprints, DJI is introducing a groundbreaking, custom-engineered component internally referred to as the Titan sensor. This is a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS architecture. By physically separating the pixel circuitry from the processing substrate, a stacked sensor allows for an incredibly rapid readout speed. For your actual footage, this means rolling shutter artifacts are virtually non-existent. High-speed pans across vast cityscapes, fast-tracking shots of accelerating sports cars, or sudden shifts in high-velocity coastal winds will look perfectly crisp, linear and cinematic without any of that distorted, wobbly jelly effect that plagues lesser drones. The sheer resolution is where things get truly wild for creators looking to produce high-end content. The Mini 6 Pro is jumping directly to a native 6K recording capability at up to 60 frames per second. For digital creators targeting premium global markets, 6K resolution is an absolute masterstroke for a travel kit. It grants you the unprecedented ability to crop in, reframe, or digitally stabilize your footage in post-production while maintaining a flawless, razor-sharp 4K output for your final delivery. The low-light performance has also been amplified exponentially, thanks to the inherent advantages of the stacked architecture and an upgraded image signal processor. The sensor handles noise reduction with pristine clarity, allowing you to shoot clean, noise-free cinematic sequences during twilight or blue hour without losing dynamic range in the shadows. The real crown jewel of this camera overhaul, and arguably the biggest engineering miracle ever seen in a sub-250-gram drone, is the integration of a true mechanical variable aperture ranging from f1.8 all the way to f11. On previous ultra-lightweight drones, the lens aperture was completely fixed at a wide setting. While a fixed aperture is great for letting in light, it presents a massive, exhausting headache during harsh daylight shoots. Filmmakers are constantly forced to land their drone, swap out physical neutral density filters onto the lens element, and take off again just to maintain the strict 180-degree shutter rule for natural motion blur. The Mini 6 Pro completely eliminates this tedious workflow. Imagine the creative freedom of adjusting your exposure mid-flight directly from your remote controller. If the clouds suddenly part and blinding sunlight floods your landscape, you can step down the physical iris to f4 or f5.6 instantly, protecting your highlights and preserving your motion blur without ever touching a piece of glass. Conversely, when shooting a sunset transitioning into pitch black night, you can dynamically open the iris back up to f1.8 to drink in every bit of available light, creating a seamless, uninterrupted professional workflow that keeps you in the air instead of messing with accessories on the ground. The flight time revealed in the leaks is an unprecedented, mind-boggling leap to a 60-minute flight time. A full, uninterrupted hour in the sky on a single battery charge. DJI managed this without pushing the physical weight past the critical 249-gram legal limit by utilizing a revolutionary shift in battery chemistry. The supply chain data confirms that DJI is officially transitioning away from standard lithium-ion pouches and adopting next-generation, high-density solid-state battery technology. Solid-state batteries offer a drastically higher energy density per gram compared to traditional liquid electrolyte cells, allowing DJI to pack almost double the electrical capacity into a battery pack that weighs the same as previous generations. This 60-minute endurance completely eliminates range anxiety and fundamentally transforms how you map out your production day. Instead of worrying about multiple heavy batteries and constant swaps, a single flight can now capture multiple angles, complex transitions, and extended hyperlapses all in one go. The Mini 6 Pro takes a massive quantum leap forward by introducing an omnidirectional Nightscape LiDAR system. Standard optical obstacle avoidance sensors found on current consumer drones rely entirely on visible light to detect hazards, but LiDAR operates by firing thousands of invisible laser pulses per second to construct a real-time, millimeter-accurate 3D map of the environment. Because it generates its own light source, it functions flawlessly in pitch-black darkness. This means you can fly through a dense, unlit forest at midnight, execute complex automated tracking paths around a subject in low-light urban alleys, or navigate tight, unpredictable indoor spaces with absolute peace of mind. Coupled with this hardware is DJI's upgraded ActiveTrack 360 AI software. The drone utilizes advanced predictive path algorithms to map out a clear flight trajectory seconds before it even arrives at a location, ensuring your cinematic tracking shots remain completely smooth, uninterrupted, and perfectly framed regardless of how chaotic the environment gets. To support this incredible operational range and versatility, the wireless transmission system has received a major generational upgrade to the new DJI O5 engine. Operating across an expanded array of frequencies, this system delivers an incredibly stable, near-zero latency connection, even in environments heavily saturated with intense wireless interference. When you look at the aggregate of these leaked specifications, it becomes vividly clear that the Mini lineup is no longer just an entry-level toy for casual hobbyists. The Mini 6 Pro is engineered from the ground up as a true professional-grade camera platform for elite cinematographers who demand ultimate portability. Because it sits safely underneath the 249-gram threshold, it completely bypasses the rigorous registration laws, commercial flight restrictions, and complex bureaucratic hurdles imposed by civil aviation authorities in the United States and premium global markets. You are getting a cinema-ready machine that you can pull out of a jacket pocket and launch anywhere in the world without breaking a single regulation. According to pricing leaks, the addition of solid-state batteries and mechanical aperture components will result in a modest price increase compared to the previous generation, positioning the Mini 6 Pro as a premium investment for serious creators who understand the immense value of absolute freedom in the sky. This is an absolute masterpiece of engineering that bridges the gap between legal convenience and professional performance. The line between compact travel gear and Hollywood production tools has officially been erased. The implications for the future of drone cinematography are profound, setting a new benchmark that will force every other manufacturer to play catch-up for years to come. By prioritizing both extreme portability and top-tier imaging capabilities, DJI has essentially created a category of one, catering to the professional who needs a reliable, high-performance tool that fits within their existing carry-on luggage without sacrificing an ounce of production value. The landscape of drone photography has shifted, and this machine represents the vanguard of that evolution, proving that size is no longer a limiting factor for creative ambition or technical excellence in the field.